So this video is going to help you clear your sacral chakra. So you may want to do each chakra every day, or you may just want to ask, which chakra do I need to clear? Do I need to clear my sacral chakra? So let me just ask that properly. But you get the picture. You could go through each one. Do I need to clear my root? Do I need to clear and balance my solar? Blah, 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 blah. And go through each 7, or write it down on paper, draw circles for the chakras, the 7 chakras, and circle over each one. Is this balanced? Is this unbalanced? Yes or no? So just do whatever works for you. But I'm going to ask with intention. So open my sacred soul space, raise my vibration. Tuning into my pendulum, and I'm asking, do I need to balance my sacral chakra? No, actually that's clear. That's great. So if you watched previously, I had to clear my root and I felt that. And actually I feel a lot better. I felt foggy before and a bit up in my head, and now I feel very grounded. So that worked a treat. So I don't need to balance or clear my sacral chakra, which is fine. But if you did, then here's a little tip for you. So the invocation would be to Jupiter. So use your own words. Don't just you don't have to just use what I say. What I say when I do these videos is very subjective, meaning it's about me. So make it about you. So, if the answer is yes, then you would force it in the positive clearing motion. And the life themes of the sacral can mean around relationships. It can be around joy, creativity, sexuality, fertility, self-worth when it comes to other people, lack of emotional boundaries. So you could say, Jupiter, I'm just going to swing it so you see. Jupiter, I'm really feeling to Jupiter. Jupiter's about luck and expansion. Please support me throughout my life and help me form healthy relationships with others. Help me see the beauty within me and also see the beauty within others. Help me and guide me towards healthy, safe boundaries with all people in all situations. Thank you, and it is so. And then you can really imagine that orange ball of light in the sacral chakra becoming really stable. And you can feel and see the vibrancy of the color. Do whatever it takes to really feel into that state. And then you can check at the end. My sacral chakra is clear and balanced, and see what you get. Okay? So thank you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.